How to test your speakers or headphones. So here we have these small little headphones, and I want to know if the right or the left speaker is working correctly. It is plugged in into the laptop. This is Windows 10, and I will start the music. It's from YouTube, so it's legal. Okay, we can hear some sounds from both of the speakers. And to test them, to know if both of them are working correctly, come here to the lower right corner, right click onto that speaker icon, right click. Now go to sounds, go to playback, whichever has a green sign there, double click on that one. Come to levels and balance. Now bring down one of those, and I can hear sound only from this one. So this is silent, and this is playing some sound. So that way I know that this one is working. Now reverse those two. Now it's stereo, now it's mono, and now we have sound from this one. And this is completely silent. So now I know that my left is working and my right is also working. Now if I close this one and bring it all the way down, and now both of them are in line. If you set it back to 100 and balance, both of them are in one line. So this is bringing them closer. Okay, so that testing was here at sounds, your active playback device, levels and balance. Through this you can know if your left or if your right speaker is working correctly.